All right, let's check on these sweet potatoes. They have been cooking for almost 1 hour and 30 minutes, so almost 90 minutes. And let's poke in and see how they feel. And I would say they could come out, but I'm going to leave them in for 10 more minutes, so 90 minutes in total for the sweet potato. So now our sweet potatoes are done. I can pop them right in the middle and poke them and see how nice and easy that knife goes in. Next step in this process is to let these others cool down a bit, peel them and mash them up. And that is how we start the sweet potato casserole. What we'll do is we mash up our sweet potatoes that have already been previously cooked, and then we're going to add in our other ingredients. So let's go ahead and put in our butter, our milk, our 2 beaten eggs. We need to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of bourbon. Last but not least, we're going to add in a cup of brown sugar. Now we can stir this all up, mash this all up, and then add it to our casserole. And the only thing that will be left to do at that point is to make our topping. And I'll show you how to do that too. Look how pretty this looks once you put it into a casserole dish. I still don't even have my topping on here yet, but it looks lovely, doesn't it? So here I have the topping, which is the flour, a little bit more brown sugar, bacon, sage, rosemary, and that bacon grease warmed up. So now, and melted. So now all I'm going to do is just mix this all together. And then that's going to be our topping that will go over the sweet potato mixture. And here we have it. I've spread out, you can see that topping all over the sweet potato. And now tomorrow for Thanksgiving, this will be ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and it will be perfect. Hope you enjoyed the sweet potato casserole, and let us know if you make it for Thanksgiving.